I'm dating cousin Craig. What's your name?
Carla.
Craig and Carla. That sound good together, huh?
Yeah, kinda.
Hey, she's a sack chaser, man. Say something in Spanish.
¿Por qué tomaste tanto tiempo en venir a hablarme?
Primo bendejo mandatavo.
Think Carla's got jungle fever, is it?
He wants to give you a ride?
I don't know.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Damn. Who is that? Who? Oh, that's their sister. Hey. Damn, you know what? I'm beginning to like Rancho Cucamonga. Well, don't like it. Why not? We need to improve on black and brown relations. Now, I'm telling you, I'm trying to keep it peaceful around here. I ain't trying to have none of that gangster thug stuff. We living good, eating shrimps and steak. Hey, man, what you don't do that? Hey, let it go. I'm telling you, don't mess with her. Slow down. Oh, man. Dang, you walk fast. I'm dating cousin Craig. What's your name?
Carla.
Craig and Carla. That sound good together, huh?
Yeah, kinda.
Hey, she's a sack chaser, man. I tried to hit it. She wouldn't even give me none. It ain't gonna work. I bet you don't get none. I bet you don't get it. I bet you don't get it. I hope you don't get it.
You know what's the most awkward thing ever is when you're sneezing, and it's not like just one sneeze, it's like sneeze after sneeze after sneeze, and someone saying thank you to every single one of them. And again, this is probably just a me issue that I just feel awkward and I'm like, oh my god, this is embarrassing for me. And they're probably just not thinking anything about it, but that just happened to me. And the worst thing is that I was in the shower, so I went to my hot Pilates class, and so I'm going out afterwards. So I'm like, I'm just gonna shower and, you know, just get ready. And so I'm sneezing in the shower, and this poor girl outside is just saying, bless you, bless you. And I'm like, Jesus Christ, this is so embarrassing.
Where you going?
To the Cucamonga Shopping Center?
Let it go, man. I'm telling you, let it go.
Told you, eh? Whites and hots and colors and cold, that's it. You're gonna ruin my dickies.
Never doubt.
Hey, hold this, eh? The fuck?
Man, you got a sexy voice. Say something in Spanish.
¿Por qué tomaste tanto tiempo en venir a hablarme?
Primo bendejo mandatavo.
Think Carla's got jungle fever, is it?
He wants to give you a ride?
I don't know.
Fuck that, hey, Chico! It's lunchtime, eh?
We gonna get you a ride.
Run! Chico!
What? Chico, run!
Chico, no!
Yeah, get that fucker! I know you like dark meat! I'm like, after they're fast, this is like they're sponsored by Nike! Hey, black man can jump, this is...
Man, you gotta get your dog for bullshit! Joker, you play too much! Call your dog! Man, quit playing! Get off my car! Get off of my shit! Get down with you! Got something for him.
Get up! I can't believe they did that to our dog, eh?
You Uncle Willie's son! You Uncle Willie's son! He don't play that shit!
Cruelty to animals, that's that cruelty to animals! Chico, huh? Chico, your stupid ass over here, eh? That's wrong, ese. That's wrong. He did nothing to you.
Get down. Come on, man. Look at my roof. Look at my roof.
No more locked doors around here, you hear me? What you been eating, girl? Nothing but light beer for you.
Ay, papi, I like it rough.
Oh, you do, huh? Good, cause that's how you're gonna get it.
I'm texting 7, cause I gotta ride those nigga when they whatever. Cause tomorrow Saturday, nigga gotta flow like a person. I got an extra 20 G's in my pocket.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
I hope you don't think I'm crazy, but I snuck in here to show you that I wasn't scared of your punk ass brothers. And if you had a man like me in your life, you wouldn't have to be scared of him neither.
What? So you snuck in my room to tell me that?
Yeah, I did. Carla! Excuse me.
Pop in, all the breakouts.
Hey, who you talking to?
Nobody.
Hey, I heard about those voices in here.
No, you didn't. So get your ass out of my room. Go back to your stupid little girlfriend.
I'm telling Mom.
And then I want to wear. I want to wear this Jimmy Choo perfume too. So I'll just mix it. Whew, y'all.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Thank you.